Hi everyone, this is Kay from Kay's Cakes, and this is my latest cake. This is Peppa 2, as unfortunately Peppa 1 got damaged when my husband had to avoid a car on the motorway, and she fell over, and that's because he didn't put it where I told him to put it, but there you go, so we won't keep moaning about it. So anyway, this is not as big as the first one I've done, which you would know if you're on my Facebook page. I did this body a bit shorter, and I did this with a Pampered Chef classic batter tin, not tin, it's like a big jar. If anyone wants to know where to get one from, I can direct them in the right direction. I put the wand and the little tiara. And I got them, do you know, in supermarkets they have like party bag section where you can pick things up and put them in children's party bags. I picked them up from there. I put her a little pearl necklace on, and she has a little pearl bracelet on, and a couple of little mould flowers. And I did the board out of foam board, and I just airbrushed it. And I put a ribbon around it, and then underneath, I don't know if you can see it, I put it onto a 6-inch drum and hot glued it onto there. So just for it makes it easier to pick it up. There's a top view of Peppa, and I did a little eyelashes just with an X-Acto knife and a little bit of black paste. And the centre of her eye, like the light reflection, I used a little dot of silver paint. I find it works just as well. So, and this is my Peppa Pig. I will put pictures of the other one up so that you can see the difference between them, and see what you think. See what one you think you prefer. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now. Bye. See, I got two 6-inch rounds and then topped it off with a football cake. Butter iced it all, crumb coated. Then I added fondant and airbrushed it red, and I did this on both the Peppa Pigs. Then I did the football spear cake, and got a frozen cupcake. I put the frozen cupcake on the front of the football spear and butter iced it so that you get the Peppa Pig shape as shown. Then I put it together, and I put a skewer right the way through from top to bottom. You can't see it, but I made it sharp and pushed it right the way through. Then I added all the details: ears, eyes, nose, mouth, fairy wings, which I didn't do on the second one. I just did it on the first one because I had to travel 100 miles with this cake to deliver it. So that's why this is Peppa Pig one. Well, I hope you enjoy the video, and please like and subscribe. Bye for now.